Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve math problem with Snapchat. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Snapchat account and then go to your camera option. Hit the smiley icon and then simply you just tap and hold for a while. So just wait for a while there. And in this section you just simply scroll down. And here you see the option of solve math problem. So you just simply click on that. And then simply click on that again. So and wait for a while again. And here you just see the result. That's it. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.